TikTok ShipOwner 562. Today we see how YouTube and TikTok are fighting regarding subscribers. Candina, but TikTok just beaten YouTube by 30 more subscribers. So thank you very much indeed, dear ShipOwner. Perhaps it's a world massive tendency of digital social media, AI, the cloud, the sun, and all these news. But today, August 13, we can measure ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency, AI, and I, CEO, communicate this transparently. Today, which areas are you thinking of changing flag, like many European flag to other flags, or are you thinking changing nationalities? Because there is certain safety issues of some captains from or chief engineers from certain countries, or because invasion of Ukraine will be stopped or not. Who knows about the crisis in the Middle East? Which one? Is there going to be a new one between China and the Philippines? But anyway, one way or another, with AI, with the cloud and the sun and all these situations, TikTok is winning, and I thank you very much for subscribing, dear ShipOwner, for these communications. If you are Greek, Japanese ship owners, have 40% of world fleet. We want to be the only suppliers of crew management services to you, because our employer is in Panama, also in Spain we have a couple. Spanish flag is falling because you need 177,000 seafarers database to push that trend, and should it not be the case, then lost the battle. Either LNG, LPG, tank, RoPax, cruise, general cargo, offshore, cement carriers, whatever the type of the ships, dry and liquid ships, contact Candina via TikTok. We are here open 24/7, and we have a specific dialogue services for you, because we have a passion for the next 150 years building business together obsessively. Thank you.